Welcome to our comprehensive guide on promoting optimal circulation in your legs and feet through the power of nutrition. In this video, we'll explore 10 nutrient-rich foods that can enhance blood flow, reduce swelling, and support overall vascular health. Whether you're looking to address circulation issues or simply want to maintain healthy legs and feet, incorporating these foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Join us on this journey to discover how simple dietary choices can contribute to improved circulation and vitality in your lower extremities. Our list begins with dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which are rich in vitamins and minerals, including potassium and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and promoting blood vessel dilation, thereby improving overall circulation. Incorporating a variety of dark leafy greens into your meals can contribute to a nutrient-packed diet that supports the health of your vascular system, helping to prevent issues such as poor circulation and swelling in the legs and feet. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to improved blood flow. Additionally, the presence of anthocyanins in berries has been linked to enhanced circulation, whether enjoyed fresh in smoothies or as a topping for yogurt. Incorporating berries into your diet provides a tasty way to support the health of your legs and feet. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout have anti-inflammatory properties that can positively impact blood circulation. These essential fats contribute to the flexibility of blood vessels, reducing the risk of clot formation and promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Including fatty fish in your diet a few times a week can be a delicious and effective way to support circulation, decrease inflammation, and maintain overall vascular health. Known for its numerous health benefits, garlic contains allicin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and vasodilatory effects. Garlic has been linked to improved blood circulation by helping to relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure. Whether added to savory dishes, used in dressings, or consumed in supplement form, incorporating garlic into your diet may contribute to enhanced circulation and reduced discomfort in the legs and feet. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen formation and supports the health of blood vessels. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage. Including citrus fruits in your diet provides a refreshing way to boost your vitamin C intake, supporting collagen synthesis and contributing to the overall health of your circulatory system. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids. These components contribute to improved blood vessel function, reduced inflammation, and overall cardiovascular health. Snacking on a handful of nuts or adding seeds to your meals can be an easy and delicious way to incorporate these circulation-supporting nutrients into your daily routine. Ginger, known for its anti-inflammatory and vasodilatory properties, can positively influence blood circulation. It contains compounds like gingerol that may help relax blood vessels, enhancing blood flow to the extremities. Whether consumed in teas, added to dishes, or taken as a supplement, incorporating ginger into your diet may offer natural support for improved circulation in the legs and feet. Beets contain nitrates, compounds that can be converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide plays a key role in dilating blood vessels, leading to increased blood flow. Consuming beets or beet juice regularly has been associated with improved exercise performance and may contribute to enhanced circulation. Including beets in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish can be a tasty way to support vascular health. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric has been studied for its potential to improve blood circulation by reducing inflammation and enhancing the flexibility of blood vessels. Whether used in curries, soups, or taken as a supplement, incorporating turmeric into your diet may offer a natural approach to supporting healthy circulation in the legs and feet. Watermelon is not only a refreshing summer fruit, but also a source of the amino acid L-citrulline. L-citrulline is converted into L-arginine in the body, a precursor to nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Including watermelon in your diet, especially during warmer months, can contribute to both hydration and the promotion of healthy blood flow to the extremities. Incorporating these 10 nutrient-packed foods into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to naturally boost circulation in your legs and feet. By embracing a diet rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients, you can support the health of your vascular system and promote overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Here's to revitalizing your legs and feet through the power of nutritious and flavorful foods.